Good morning, everyone. The topics included in today's video are morals, values and ethics, integrity, academic integrity, and work ethics. Coming to first topic, it is about morals. Morals are the principles expressed by the wise people based on their experience. We can define morals are personal character, while ethics stress a social system in which those morals are applied. Now, we can see the difference between the morality and ethics. A person who knows the difference between the right and wrong and chooses the right is moral. A person whose morality is reflected in his willingness to do right thing even if it is hard or dangerous, that is ethical. Simply, we can say that ethics are the moral values in action. Moral values includes truth, freedom, charity, etc. Values. There is a slight difference between ethics, morals and values. Values are the foundations of a person's ability to judge between right and wrong. Values include a deep-rooted system on beliefs. This system allows each individual to determine what should and what should not be. These are the types of values, that is right conduct, peace, truth, love and non-violence. Human values are developed in many ways. It is developed by the impact of norms of the society and one's own choice in fulfilling the needs, again modified by teaching and practices of gurus, social leaders and the law. Integrity. Integrity is defined as the unity of thought, word and deed and open-mindedness. Academic integrity. It is important for students. That is, the moral behavior in all academic events. This is the most relevant at the college level. There are 5 fundamental values of academic integrity. That is, honesty, trust, fairness, respect and responsibility. Now, we coming to the last topic, work ethics. A strong work ethics suggests that a person places a high value on doing a good job as well as respecting others and functioning with the integrity. Examples for the work ethics are punctuality, attitude, character, good communication, etc. So, we recall the topics that we studied today are morals, values, integrity, academic integrity, and work ethics. That's the end of this session. Thank you.